Dear students, Class 12th, Flamingo, Chapter 2, Prose, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. So today we are going to start this chapter. Today in this session I will tell you about the author and summary part. The author is Anish Jung. She was born in 1964 in Rourkela and she spent her childhood and adolescence in Hyderabad. She received her education in Hyderabad and in USA. Her parents were both writers. Anish Jung began her career as a writer in India. She has been an editor and columnist for major newspapers in India and abroad also. And she has authored several books. The following is an excerpt from her book titled Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. Here she analyzes the grinding poverty and traditions which condemned these children to a life of exploitation. So this was all about the author, and now summary. Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. This chapter is actually divided into two parts, containing the author's first-hand experience with poverty and traditions prevailing in some parts of India. The first part, it describes the plight of the rag pickers of Simapuri. Author pained by the fact that rag pickers are still barefoot. Sahib is no longer his master. Here Sahib's full name is Sahib A. Alam, means that I will tell you when I will explain the chapter. The second part describes the miserable condition of the bangle makers of Firozabad. Here there is a boy, Mukesh. Mukesh wants to be a driver, to be his own master. He is working in a bangle factory. He has seen children to lose their eyes and their families selling bangles. They lose their eyes in factories where they make the bangles. Their thinking is it is God-given destiny. Means the work they are doing is that poverty is their God-given destiny. There are two distinct worlds. He saw shahukars and exploited workers. Shahukars who give them money and after that they exploit these workers for getting back the money. Other children accept it as destiny. So nobody wants to change himself. All have accepted it is a destiny. But Mukesh thinks differently. But Mukesh is the protagonist of this story. He is totally different. He thinks differently. He wants to be a motor mechanic. So in this way there is a ray of hope that though the others have accepted it as a destiny, there is someone who is having some different dream. So basically Lost Spring is a story given in two parts, one about Sahib Alam and the other Mukesh. Okay, I hope after reading the chapter you'll come to know various facts. Thank you.